What was the best thing you liked about the camp?
I think the space in this camp is enormous, and the kids, they enjoy this thing because they miss out in Mumbai. And when they are here, it's so safe that they keep on running around and enjoy for the whole day. Lots of activities for them to do, and the sessions with Guruji and all, of course, they are too good.
Like the organizers have really worked in hard, put in great deal of efforts, and each and every program has been carefully designed so that every age group will benefit. At the end of the 4-day camp, each age group, I am confident, will benefit, and they'll be prepared to come back again next year to enjoy this great tour.
About the camp, I liked the most was when Guruji gave his talk, and I was very amazed to see him. My name is Shriya Arvind. The best thing I like on the camps were all the games of the camp. The games were very fun, and I like this game a lot called Snakes and Ladders. The food is also very nice over here, and we learn many new things. Hello, my name is Anushka. The thing I love about this camp is the cultural program which has been done. It is so good, and the carnival games have been organized. I love the food because they are very they have got lots of nutrients there in it.
Hi, my name is Jay, and I really like the camp because the kids really enjoyed, and the main thing, they are learning something good, which in today's world it's we don't know. Even I don't know many shlokas. They are learning in Bal Vihar, and the thing and the next year definitely I'm going to come because it really helps child to understand the basic the God thing, which in today's world it's very rare to understand. And this Chinmaya mission is doing a great job. I'm really satisfied with this.
This is our first time summer vacation camp.
So we like here very much. We are enjoying a lot. This place is such a wonderful place. We are excited to come for next summer camp.
The thing I like the most about this camp is the whole idea about what you should be doing right in life. When you come here, 4 days, you are cut off from the other world. So you know what exactly, which direction, at least some knowledge you have of what is going on.
For me, the wow moment for this camp was definitely the cultural program the juniors put on last evening for us. I have a 5-year-old daughter, and this is our first exposure to the Bal Vihar camp, and to see her come on stage, not only dance to a beautiful Krishna song, but also mouth the words in less than a day's practice was really wonderful for me. And right now, seeing Swamiji play cricket with the children, that's just another wow moment. So I think the way the camp encourages children to come forth and express themselves is beautiful. What I'd like to see in perhaps the subsequent camps is a lot more of interesting activities for a little bit of the older kids, the 9 to 12-year-olds, a little bit more adventure, some kind of sporting activities for them. Thanks.
About the camp was attending sessions with Vedji and Yugji, and the bestest thing was the movie On a Quest.
I don't think there's just one thing you can choose that's the best thing about the camp. The camp itself is an amazing idea, and the people that you meet here are really, really cool. So please come to the next camp.
Overall, it was a very good experience. I have come here for the second time, and the kind of enthusiasm, the kind of mental shift that is happening, I think that is very great. The connection to our Hinduism, or you say the spiritual enhancement, I think that is something great that has been happening, and I could see real changes happening in me as well from the last 1 year.
Nice teachers, that's why I come.
The best thing I liked about this camp is we had a lot of fun. We learned nice stories, new jokes, and we had a lot of fun in this camp.
of Snakes and Ladders because it's new for me and I have never played this game. I like the most putting the ball through Kalya's mouth.